welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is going to be another Jamaican Patois lesson for beginners. As usual, you know we don't want to draw it out, so let's jump straight into it. But before we begin, you know I gotta tell you that if you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and get active in the comments. Today we're going to talk about some Jamaican things, so regular things like things that we use, things that you wear. I'm going to tell you them in Jamaican Patois. We'll be going through this really quick because it's just regular things. Like for example, number one, the first thing, we refer to a t-shirt in Jamaica, ganzi. Just regular ganzi, G-A-N-Z-I, ganzi. So a t-shirt is called ganzi in the Jamaican Patois. So if you're ever in Jamaica and you hear somebody say anything about a ganzi, they're just talking about your t-shirt. The second thing is going to be a vest. You know those white vests that people wear underneath their shirt? Well, in Jamaican Patois, we call that marina or wife beater. Marina, M-A-R-I-N-A, or wife beater. The next one is going to be a member of the underwear family, and it's the panty. In the Jamaican Patois, we'll say drawers or baggy. Baggy or drawers for panty. So drawers or baggy. I'll put the spelling in for all of them. So panty, a mean of underwear, baggy or drawers in the Jamaican Patois. Number four is going to be a sneakers. In the Jamaican culture, you'll hardly ever hear sneakers, but you'll always hear crepe. Or people just a regular shoes. But a crepe instead of sneakers. Crepe instead of sneakers. Number five is going to be a slippers. Yes, a pair of slippers. In Jamaican Patois, we just say slippers. Slippers, not slippers, but slippers. Number seven is a pants. And I know people use this word other places, but in Jamaican Patois, you'll mostly hear trousers. Trousers, or people say jeans or jeans pants. So pants would be trousers or jeans pants. Simple. The next one is gonna be another piece of clothes, and it's a pair of shorts. Shorts. But in Jamaican Patois, shorts, just pure shorts, not shorts, but shorts. The next thing is going to be a washcloth. Yes, regular people say washcloth, but in the Jamaican Patois, we say rag. Rag, just straight rag. Rag. Yes, bearding rag. Never a washcloth, it's always a rag. A rag. A rag. Number nine, regular people say handkerchief. Handkerchief. Jamaican Patois, kerchief. 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 Just kerchief. Handkerchief. Kerchief. And the 10th and final one would be nail polish. In Jamaican Patois, Q-tex. 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 You'll hardly ever hear people say nail polish in Patois. Q-tex. They'll use nail polish as an English word. They'll use nail polish. Don't get me wrong, they'll use nail polish. But in Jamaican Patois, Q-tex. So if you ever hear someone say Q-tex at a nail salon, or a girl say Q-tex, or anything, any mention of Q-tex, it's always nail polish they're talking about. Nail polish. So that was the final word. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next upload. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.